Carrie Murphy, Shanna Snitzer, and myself compared gas prices inside the loop with gas prices outside the loop. We chose 30 different locations for both inside the loop and outside the loop. Our findings are graphed and compared throughout this presentation. We will show you that gas prices inside the loop are more expensive than gas prices outside the loop. We will explain why we believe the prices inside the loop are more expensive than gas prices outside of the loop.
610 is a freeway in Houston and is also known as the Loop. The Loop is outlined in red on this map. According to HoustonTexas.gov, the population inside the Loop makes up about 20% of Houston's population. The Loop is 96 square miles and accounts for only 15% of Houston's total land area. Also, according to HoustonTexas.gov, the Loop is home to 26 educational institutes of higher learning, the nation's largest medical center, and 3 major sports teams. Due to the Loop containing a multitude of different industries, the largest medical center in the nation, and downtown Houston, many people travel inside the Loop daily.
We chose 30 different locations of gas stations inside the Loop. As shown on the graph, the prices show to start at $3.34 and go as high as $3.69. The most expensive locations are Westheimer at Willowick and the Southwest Freeway at Buffalo Speedway. The least expensive location is Wayside in Sullivan. The graphs display the 30 different locations and prices associated with each location. We chose 30 different locations of gas stations outside the Loop. As shown in the graph, the prices show to start at $3.29 and go as high as $3.49 per gallon. The most expensive location is John F. Kennedy and Aldine Mail Road. The least expensive location is South Highway 6 and Keith Harrop. The graph displays the 30 different locations and prices associated with each location.
The average price of gas inside the Loop is $3.45. The average price of gas outside the Loop is $3.39. The average price of gas inside the Loop is 6 cents higher compared to gas prices outside the Loop. So, on average, a consumer would spend 6 cents more per gallon on gas inside the Loop than a consumer would spend outside the Loop. To think how that can affect you, personally, I can fill my car up with 16 gallons of gasoline. If I were to buy gas inside the Loop, I would spend about $55.20 to fill up my car. But if I were to fill up my car outside the Loop, I would spend about $54.20. That would be a savings of $1 each time I would fill up my car. I don't know how many times you fill up your car each week, but that is a savings that adds up over time.
The median is the middle value when each set of data is sorted in numerical order. The median for the set of gas prices inside the Loop is $3.43. The median for the set of gas prices outside of the Loop is $3.39. That is a difference of 4 cents. The average price of gas inside the Loop is $3.45. This average price is 2 cents higher than the median number. The average price of gas outside the Loop is $3.39. This average price is the same as the median for outside of the Loop. The mode is the number that occurs most often in a set of data. The mode is the same for both outside the Loop and inside the Loop at $3.39 a gallon. This is the most common price of gas for both the inside Loop locations and outside Loop locations. This is great for consumers that is lower than the average price per gallon inside the Loop and is the same price per gallon for the average price outside the Loop.
The lower quartile is the middle number between the smallest number and the median of a set of data. The lower quartile for the data set inside the Loop is $3.43. The lower quartile for the data outside the Loop is $3.39. It is apparent here as well that gas prices inside the Loop are higher than those outside the Loop.
The upper quartile is the middle number between the median and the highest number of a set data. The upper quartile for the data set inside the loop is $3.39. The upper quartile for the data set outside of the loop is $3.29. It is apparent on this data comparison that the gas prices inside the loop are more expensive than the gas prices outside of the loop.
This graph represents the standard deviation of the gas prices for both locations, inside the loop and outside the loop. It is apparent here, again, that gas prices are more expensive inside the loop than outside the loop.
This graph represents the range of the data set for both inside the loop and outside the loop. The gas price range for inside the loop is 35 cents. The gas price range for outside the loop is 20 cents. Here we see that there is a greater range in gas prices inside the loop compared to the range of gas prices outside the loop.
The 90th percentile means that 90% of the data is below and 9% of the data is above. As you can see from the graph, the gas prices inside the loop have a higher amount outside the data range than the prices outside of the loop.
Our hypothesis is that we believe that gas prices inside the loop would be more expensive than gas prices outside the loop. The gas prices inside the loop would be more expensive due to the demand for gas inside the loop compared to the demand for gas outside of the loop.
In conclusion, our hypothesis is correct based off of the data we have found. On average, gas prices are 6 cents higher than gas prices outside the loop. The mean, median, mode, upper and lower quartiles were always higher for gas prices inside the loop compared to gas prices outside the loop. Therefore, gas prices outside the loop will be lower than the gas prices inside the loop. I sincerely hope that you have the opportunity to purchase your gasoline outside the loop and save the extra 6 cents per gallon. Every little bit helps.